Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. In this video, we will learn how to obtain the inverse regression and also correlation coefficient using Casio calculator. First, we press mode for 2 times until we see out Lig, the regression function, which is number 2. And we press right until we see inv, the inverse function, which is also number 2. And we just have to input the data according to x, y, and the calculator will help us to convert x to 1 over x, which means that for the first pair, 1 and 6.2, we just have to input 1, 6.2, and we press n plus to record the data. N equal to 1 shows the first pair of the observation. So for the second pair, we have 3, 2.9. So we just have to press 3, 2.9 and plus. And so for the rest of the data, so we have 4, 2.5 and plus 6, 2 and plus 7, 1.9 and plus 8, 1.8 and plus. After finish entering all the data, press AC to continue. If you want to show all the summations, just press Shift 1. Shift 1 will help us to show all the summations. We have to bear in mind that since the calculator already helped us to convert x to 1 over x, which means that the summation x squared here is actually referring to summation 1 over x squared. So we press 1 if we need this value, then we press equal, as we can see the value here. And so for the rest of the summations, so Shift 1 again, and we just have to press whatever we want. And we can also press right if needed. So for summation xy is actually referred to summation y over x. So if we need this value, we just press 3 and press equal. So we will obtain the value. However, let's say we want to obtain the correlation or the gradient or the slope of the regression b, or the y-intercept or the constant of the regression a. Then we just have to press Shift 2. And we just have to press right until we see A, B, R. So R is the correlation, so we need, then we just press 3. So we will obtain the correct value as we can see here. Then for B, Shift 2 again, and we press B. So number 2, and we press Shift 2 again to obtain A. If we perform calculation manually by substitution, we might get the value that is slightly different from the calculator, because we have to bear in mind that, as we can see, all the numbers here include a lot of decimal places. The calculator will take all the decimal points. So if, let's say, we round it to a certain decimal point, the value that we obtain might not be the same as the calculator due to rounding problem. So if, let's say, we want to provide a very high accuracy value, we take as many decimal points as possible. And the calculator will always take all. So after finish obtaining all the values for the A and B, then we can form the regression as we can see here. However, let's say the question asks us to estimate a particular y given x. Then we just have to first press the value to that given. After that, we press Shift 2 and we look for y estimate. So we just have to press right until we see y estimate. Head stands for estimate. So what we need here is to estimate y, which means that number 2. And we press equal, then we will obtain the correct value as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. See you.